Hello, welcome to another Instinct bike check. We have some dope bike here. It's a bike from Khairul Sayed, alright. So as you can see here, very big bars, huh? It's a Shadow Valtus bar, rise of 9. And we have some Cult Chase the Heart grips. Alright, moving on to the stem, we have We the People stem, as you can see there. Alright, moving down to the fork, we have a Shadow Clipper V2 fork. Alright, as you can see there. And as you can see for the front wheel set, we have stock front wheel set. And with feed F, we have 10 volt tires, 2.25. Moving on to the frame, as you can see here, is a Mastic Mastermind V1 frame with a top tail of 21 and a chainstay of 13.25. Alright, moving on to the cranks, we have a We the People Royal V1 cranks, and we have some Eclat Ashley Charles PC plastic pedals. We have, as you can see, the seat, we have a Eclat Gonzo pivotal seat and no seat clamp. This frame is integrated seat clamp, as you can see there. Alright, moving on to the sprocket, we have a stock sprocket in raw, and we have for the rear wheel set is Eclat Tech RHD, and for the rims with animal rims, and also feed FAF 1.95 tire, 10 wall. I guess that'll be all for today's bike check. Hope to see you again. Signing off.